Want to burn fat at home without going to the gym? These 8 powerful exercises will help you lose weight fast, no equipment needed. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. This is a full-body cardio move that burns calories quickly. Stand straight, jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Keep a fast pace to boost fat burning. Exercise 2. High knees. This exercise targets belly fat and improves stamina. Run in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. Keep your core tight and move your arms for balance. The faster you go, the more calories you burn. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. A powerful fat-burning exercise for your core and full body. Start in a push-up position. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch. Keep your back straight and maintain speed. Exercise 4. Body weight squats. This targets legs and helps burn overall body fat. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips like sitting on a chair, then stand back up. Keep your chest up and push through your heels. Exercise 5. Push-ups. A great exercise for upper body and calorie burn. Keep your body straight and hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest toward the floor, then push back up. Engages chest, shoulders, and core. Exercise 6. Plank hold. This strengthens your core and helps flatten your stomach. Hold a push-up position on your forearms. Keep your body straight and core tight. Hold as long as possible without dropping your hips. Exercise 7. Burpees. One of the best exercises for fast fat loss. Start standing, drop into a squat, jump back into a push-up, then jump up. This full-body move burns maximum calories in less time. Exercise 8. Bicycle crunches. Targets belly fat and strengthens abs. Lie on your back, bring opposite elbow to knee while switching sides. Move slowly and squeeze your abs with each rep.